Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. My name is Chris Jaggs, and here is your quote for today from Dr. Seuss. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. They say knowledge is power, and this is 100% true. If you try to do something, knowing exactly how it works, unsurprisingly, really does help you. Learn from every open opportunity that you're given. Learn from those who specialise in the subject. Their years of experience cannot be bought. And keep in mind that learners are earners.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.